Filing taxes feels overwhelming because one small mistake can cost you money, or worse, trigger penalties. And here is the truth: most people aren't actually doing taxes wrong, their files are wrong. Your receipts are on your phone, your tax documents are buried in emails, and your folders are named things like final, 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 ready, final. And as Australian freelancer, a small business owner, that's a risky way to go into a tax season. So I built a simple tax system that turns tax chaos into one clean ATO ready PDF in minutes. Watch this before you file. It will save you hours, stress, and real money. Filing taxes itself isn't that complicated. What makes it stressful is missing receipts, jumping between devices, realizing too late that numbers do not add up. That's how deductions get missed. That's how BS prep becomes painful. That's how tax season turns into a panic season. So instead of just showing you how to file, I'm going to show you a system that makes filing almost automatic. I use this system every time. It scans, syncs, checks, and sends. Once this is set up, tax season goes from a 10-hour nightmare to a 10 minutes task. Anytime I receive a receipt, I scan it immediately. Business expense, subscription, travel, client meeting, I scan all of it. PDFelement stores every receipt in receipt management, a dedicated cloud space. I can access these receipts on mobile, desktop, or web at any time. PDFelement also uses OCR to automatically extract key fields like merchant name, date, currency, GST, total, and subtotal amount. So each receipt isn't just an image, it becomes searchable, structured data. That is how you stop losing small deductions that quietly add up. When I tap on any extracted field, PDFelement jumps directly to the extracted location on the receipt, where that information comes from. That makes it easy to visually verify the amount, the GST, whether the expense is business related. Once confirmed, I save it. And that verified receipt is stored securely in the cloud, ready to use later. This step is crucial because it means I am working with accurate data, not assumptions. The next step is to auto-sync to desktop. Everything I scan automatically appears on my PC in one folder called Tax 2026 Australia. No emailing files to myself, no downloads, no searching. This single folder becomes the backbone of my entire tax workflow. You can find all these folders in Documents. The next step is merge, edit, and prepare tax documents. When tax season arrives, I organize everything into clean PDFs, one for income, one for expenses, one for bank statements. For Australian tax documents like BAS or individual tax returns PDF, I open the file directly in PDFelement and use edit tools. Using the edit feature, add or update text where needed. If the document isn't originally editable, PDF still lets me add text cleanly on top of the PDF. No printing, no handwriting, no reading. Here I'm uploading the tax form just like we uploaded the receipts. The file that I uploaded to my phone has been synced to the desktop now. and I can edit it just like I could edit the receipt earlier. Scanning. Next step is AI checks everything. Before filing, I use the AI Assist to summarize expense documents, cross check totals, spot missing or inconsistent information. It acts like a second set of eyes before submitting anything to the ATO. The next step is to export everything. Once everything is scanned, verified, edited, reviewed, I export one clean ATO ready PDF package. That's the file I upload to my tax software and send to my accountant. And that's it. I am done here. You can see here I'm using AI Assistant to verify and review. Now I'm exporting the document and it will export into the Excel file. You can see here all the receipts, all expenses have been organized into this Excel sheet now. If you want to use this exact system, PDFelement is linked below. Make your tax season easier than before. Hello. Sign up.